Hello, welcome to Xiaochuan English Live. In this video, I'm going to show you the Leith, which is the north part of Edinburgh. Now, I'm going to wait for the bus and take a number 16 bus from the city center to Leith Market. So here is the shore, just very close to the sea. There is a harbor, it's very nice. I will show you later. Wow, the view behind me is so nice. I would say that I've been to UK for nearly 1.5 years, but this is the best view I have ever seen in UK. Just beside the river, there is a great selection of seafood and restaurant you can choose. So it's really good place to stay in this area. The road is rebuilding at the moment, but you look, it's quite big, right? I would say that I highly recommend you to come here, stay an overnight. It's in this area and enjoy it. It's super nice. We have already arrived at the harbour of the Leith. As you look, the water in this area is really blue. I really like the color, and I can see the whole sky in the surface of the water. There are a lot of birds screaming in this area, and I can also watch some ducks. They are swimming in the river. As I know, the track in here usually for tram, but I'm not sure the tram will arrive the end of the harbor or not. I would say that here is the best view I have been to Scotland, so it's highly recommend you to come here to enjoy this, especially the weather is quite nice. I just saw a very interesting description of this place. Someone say that here is a gorgeous place in Scotland. If you watch clearly, there is a rainbow in this waterfall. Okay, so this area is Leith Market. So if you are very fall in love with the food, it's the best place you should visit in Edinburgh. So now I'm heading to our last attraction. It's a ship called Royal Yacht Britannia, one of the best attractions around UK. As I see in this area, there is some property company are advertising. They are selling some buildings in this area, flats. So wow, it's so amazing. There is a very big shopping center in this area, and some property company are advertising they want to sell some flats in this area. Wow, it's so amazing. There is a local just invite me. We are here at the moment, and then there is a island far away from us. And when the tide goes down, we can walk across to the islands. It's so beautiful. Oh my God, it's very easy to lock down in that island. Am I right? Wow, we finally arrived. The ship behind me is the Britannia. So although it's not very clear, but it's very nice. Yacht Britannia is quite famous ship because during 40 years old, it have already sailed 1,000,000 miles, and you can get inside visit around 1 hour trip. It's pretty enjoyable. Okay, that's all the video I got today, and hope you will enjoy my video. See you next time. Bye bye.